In this quick guide, you'll learn how to change your phone number in Chime. Whether you've recently switched numbers or just need to update your information, I'll walk you through the complete process, step by step, ensuring you don't miss a beat. To start off, you'll need to open the Chime app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. There, you'll see an icon labeled Profile. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to your profile settings, where you can manage your personal account details. Now that you're in your profile, it's time to scroll down the page. You'll want to find the section labeled Personal Info. This is your gateway to updating any personal details associated with your Chime account. Once you see it, tap on Personal Info to proceed. Within the Personal Info section, you'll notice an option for phone number. Tapping on phone number will allow you to update your current number to your new one. It's important to ensure that the new number you're entering is correct and active, as this will be the primary way Chime contacts you for account-related matters. After entering your new phone number, you'll need to follow the verification steps. This is a crucial part of the process as it helps Chime confirm that the new number belongs to you. Typically, this will involve receiving a verification code via text message that you'll need to enter into the app. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be guided through the verification seamlessly. Once you've successfully verified your new phone number, congratulations! Your phone number is now updated on your Chime account. This means all future communication from Chime will go to the new number you provided. And there you have it, a straightforward process to change your phone number in Chime. Keeping your contact information up to date is important for account security and for receiving timely notifications. If you ever need to update your number again, you now know exactly how to do it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.